I'm Dr. Adam Lindsay, a board-certified orthopedic surgeon specializing in shoulder surgery. Cold therapy helps reduce pain and swelling after surgery. Your doctor has recommended a cold therapy unit to provide a steady, comfortable cooling effect, which can be more convenient and effective than traditional ice packs. These units generally provide 4 to 6 hours of cold therapy. Follow your doctor's instructions on how to use the cold therapy unit and when to take breaks. This is how it works. This unit includes wraparound pads with elastic straps to fit securely around your joint. You may wake up from surgery with the pad already applied. Always use a barrier, like the one included with the unit, a towel, or a pillowcase to protect your skin, and never let the cold pad touch your skin directly. Once you're at home, you'll need to add water and ice to the unit. Open the cooler lid, add water to the fill line, and then add ice to the indicated line. To connect the pad to the cooler, attach the pad hose to the cooler hose by pressing down on both silver connectors until you hear it click, which means it's securely connected. Plug the power supply into the unit, and it will begin circulating cool water right away. If you want to stop using the unit, unplug it from the power source. To disconnect the pad, press down on the 2 metal tabs on the connector and gently pull them apart. The pad will self-seal to prevent leaks, though a small amount of dripping water is normal. When you're not using it, you can drain the pad and empty the cooler of any remaining water and ice. Some troubleshooting tips. If the pad isn't getting cold enough, try these steps first. Make sure the unit is plugged in. Open the cooler lid to check that the ice is at the indicated line. The manufacturer does not recommend using frozen water bottles instead of ice, as the labels will clog the lines once they get wet and the water does not get cold enough. You can inspect the hoses for any kinks. If the unit still isn't working, contact your physician's office. If you experience any unusual symptoms like increased pain, burning, swelling, itching, blisters, or other reactions, please contact your doctor's office right away.